Have you ever wondered how to make a canvas if you have only bought the canvas print and the print is not wrapped around a frame? Here's my process of how I take a canvas print and I wrap it around a frame to make a beautiful piece of wall art. The first thing I'll do is I'll go around the canvas and I'll fold over the edges to the point where the print actually finishes. This will give me a visual guideline via the crease for when I apply some sticky board to the back of the canvas. When I've finished all four sides of the canvas, I'll then go and get the sticky board, which I have pre-cut to the size of 36 by 24 inches, and start to apply it to the back of the canvas. To apply the sticky board, I'll partially pull back the yellow backing paper on the board and begin to position the sticky board before I fully pull away the yellow backing paper and press down and stick the board to the canvas. A little more pressure will be required to fully stick the board down onto the canvas, which I will be sending through a pressure roller. But before I do that, it's time to stick some sticky board strips around all four sides of the canvas. These sticky board strips will help me create perfectly wrapped corners on the canvas. To make sure these sticky board strips fit perfectly, I will measure each strip, and if they are slightly too long, I will mark them and cut them to the perfect length. I'll leave about 1/4 inch gap in between the sticky board strip and the main sticky board. This will help when it comes to pulling the canvas over the frame before I staple it. Now all the sticky board is down and in place, it's time to put the whole thing through the pressure roller and make sure everything is completely stuck down to the canvas. Before I start to wrap the canvas around the frame, I'll just double check and make sure that the board has been completely stuck down to the canvas with no creases in and everything is smooth. This is just an ordinary everyday picture frame with no glass or no backing board in it, and this is what we're going to use to wrap the canvas around. I align the picture frame on the canvas and then staple down one side of the frame. As I've wrapped the canvas around the frame, I'm pulling in to the centre of the frame, making sure the canvas is nice and tight before stapling down the other side. Now to wrap the ends of the canvas, and this is where those sticky board strips come into play. They are now going to help me create perfect corners when I wrap the canvas at the ends. I'll now cut any excess canvas away from the frame to tidy things up. Now all the excess canvas has been trimmed away, it's now time to measure up for the D-rings and then the string. I'll fix the D-rings to both sides of the canvas by screwing them into the frame. Now it's time to fix some framing cord so we can then hang the canvas. I'll put some tape around the knot I have just tied to make sure it does not come undone. One perfectly wrapped canvas to hang on your wall. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.